Hello everyone! Today our group is going to do an experiment about the weather. So we are going to do a snowstorm in a jar. First, the thing we need are glitter, baby oil, a glass jar, a plastic cups, a straw, the water, the acrylic paint, and effervescent tablets. The first step, we need to pour the baby jar into the glass jar until it is 3/4 of the glass jar. Next, we need to mix the acrylic paints with the water in a plastic cup. Using a straw, we mix the white paint or the acrylic paint and the water. Then we pour the acrylic paint and the water into the glass jar. The next step is we pour the glitter into the glass jar. Next, we separate the effervescent spread into the parts. Next, we throw the effervescent plates into the jar and see the results now.